Now that you have a blog, you might be wondering if there's anything that you can do to fast track making money from it. In reality, I can't give you any silver bullets to making a ton of money from your blog because the truth is, high quality, relevant, and consistent content is the best thing to build your online presence, and everything else will come with consistent traffic. What I can give you is a few tips on what to do to look as professional as possible for potential brand partnerships, and also what you can do to start making some money even with modest traffic through affiliate advertising. The first thing, as I mentioned, is really to make sure you're putting content out there that's of value. That means it answers questions people have, is optimized for search engines, is well written and organized, and has high quality images. Then, it's all about sharing your content as widely as possible. Putting together a media kit is a great way to attract potential partners, to look professional, and also make it easy to reach out to partners you'd like to work with and not have to write out your stats every single time. Make sure to include your bio, demographic stats, your reach, and examples of past collaborations once you have a few. Then list your packages and your prices. You can also start making money pretty easily with affiliate marketing programs. You may already be part of some referral programs like Give $10, Get $10 type of referrals, and affiliate marketing is similar, although you get paid in actual cash rather than store credit. Amazon affiliates is the easiest one to get started with, and then you can join other networks and apply for specific retailers. Or you can make a list of brands you really love and go looking on their sites to join their affiliate programs. Once accepted into these programs, you'll gain access to their dashboards. You'll be able to get custom links and ads that you can then add to your website. When you first get started, you may be contacted by brands offering you free products in exchange for exposure, and that can be really fun. Even some of the non-monetary perks of blogging, like blogger event invitations, can be a really fun perk to having a blog. Eventually, you'll probably be able to charge quite a bit for this promotion on top of receiving the product. But even 1,000 website views a month and 1,000 followers on Instagram is an audience that can be monetized, especially if they are super engaged and commenting frequently on your blogs and your Instagram posts. Just remember to always be transparent and publish disclaimers about affiliate links, ads, paid posts, and gifted items, so you're compliant with the FTC rules. Good luck and have fun!